Once the apps are installed on your computer, you want to verify that you have what you need. In the Adobe Creative Cloud app, you can see the app name, and you can also see that you can open it straight from here. In addition to that, you should be able to go down to your Start menu down here, and under A, you should see the Adobe apps that you need. It's really important that at this point in time, you open one of them or more to test to make sure that they actually fully open. You don't want them to open and say that you're in a trial mode. They shouldn't if you have them installed and they say open right here instead of try it or buy it. But just in case, you definitely want to load the app and see if it will actually come through. Right now, mine is loading and opening up. And this is not the screen we're looking for. You actually want to make it even past this screen and let it actually fully open onto your screen so that way you know that the app is fully installed. So giving it just a moment to go ahead and install so I can, open up so I can show you what it looks like once it's completely open. So once the app is fully installed and working, you should be able to open it and you'll see a what's new section. You can close this. And then at that point, you should be able to create new items inside of the app and do all those kinds of things. And it shouldn't be asking you to do a trial or anything like that. If you've done this successfully and your app is working and ready to roll.